It's time to create, it's time to create, it's time to experiment and make something great. Show your own colors in your own way. It's time to create, it's time to create.
Today we're going to make heart in hand stained glass artworks that you can hang in the window. These are easy and very giftable stained glass artworks that you can make with crayons, watercolors, and vegetable oil. Let's gather our materials. The materials we'll need for heart in hand stained glass include printer paper or thin art paper, crayons, watercolor paint, paintbrushes, vegetable oil, and you'll want to use a light colored vegetable oil such as canola oil or safflower oil. And if you want to add a hanging structure for your stained glass, you will also need thin wooden dowels or chopsticks or skewers, a hot glue gun, and some string or yarn. Let's set up for success. To prepare for the best possible experience with your heart in hand artwork, you will want to protect your work surface with an art mat or a waterproof tablecloth. Let's create. To begin, draw a small heart in the center of your paper with the crayon. And as you work with the crayon, press as hard as you can. Next, place your hand over the heart and trace around your hand. Then, finally, draw a circle around your traced hand. And you can freehand draw this, or you can set a bowl on top and trace the bowl. Now color the picture inside the circle with the crayon, pressing hard and filling in all the areas as much as possible. And you can color in each section with solid colors, or you can draw pictures inside each section or do designs. You can do anything you like with this. Once you have finished drawing inside of the circle with the crayon, you will want to paint outside of the circle with a dark color of watercolor paint. This could be black, purple, blue, green, anything you like. And then turn the artwork over and use a small dish of vegetable oil and a paintbrush to paint the back of your artwork. You'll paint the entire back of the artwork with the vegetable oil, and this turns your entire artwork into a translucent artwork, giving it a stained glass effect. It will be a bit oily, but the oil will absorb into the paper over the course of a day or two. This next step is an adult step, and it involves gluing the wooden dowels to the top and bottom of the artwork with a hot glue gun. And then add a hanging loop to the top with a piece of string or yarn, and you can glue it on with the hot glue gun, or you can tie the yarn on. And finally, hang the stained glass art in the window or give it as a gift. I hope you enjoyed this art activity.
It's time to